Closing statements. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, people of the court, I ask for your attention one final time. My client, Mr. John Doe, is an innocent man. An innocent man who unfortunately caught the eye of the blood-hungry prosecutor. Fortunately, the facts of this case are telling. Truth shall prevail. The lack of any credible witness to definitively place Mr. Doe or any suspect at the scene of the crime is the first fault in their case. Unfortunately, both eyewitnesses that were physically involved in the case are in critical condition and are unable to give their testimony. Please remember, jury, it is the burden of the prosecution to find incriminating evidence or accounts of what transpired. Don't hold it against my client that they cannot provide adequate testimony. The only other witness to come forward had a tremulous account at best. The recollection of events had many holes and discrepancies in it. The witness themselves stated they couldn't be 100% sure in their sworn account of the events that transpired. How can you put any faith into that? Especially when the life of an innocent man lies in your decision. The charges of murder and vehicular manslaughter have no bounds. The accused could have not caused this accident or the plaintiff's injuries. The plaintiff's injuries were solely caused by the ineptitude or complete disregard of the law. Philadelphia Code 9-203 2, labeled license, regarding street vendors states, quote, "It shall be unlawful for any person to engage in the business of a street vendor unless he or she has first obtained a license from the Department of License and Inspections." It goes on to further state in Part 9B.3, labeled penalties. It states that state penalties might result from conducting business in such a manner as to create or constitute a danger to public health, safety, or welfare.